Dear friends, today we are going to look at a topic called the matrices. So here in this, first you will see the little bit about this recapitulation of this matrices. So first we will define the matrices and then we will see the order of the matrices and in general how we can denote the matrices. Okay, so first we will define this matrices. So what do you mean by matrices? First, here the arrangement of numbers in rows and columns is called as a matrices. So you can see here the numbers might be a complex or a real. That is, I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are all numbers. See, we are arranging this one in rows and columns. How? This is first row, this is second row, this is my third, and this is my first column, this is my second column, this is my third column. In an square bracket, closed bracket is called the matrices. That is the arrangement of numbers in rows. That is, I have arranged it in rows as well as in columns. You can see here. That is, this is my first row, this is my second row, this is my third row. This is my first column, this is my second column, this is my third column. So we have arranged these numbers in rows and columns. This is called matrices. So the matrices have an order. What do you mean by order now? That is order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. So what do you mean by this order of the matrices? So here, how many rows are there in this matrix? So I can say first row, second row, third row. There are 3 rows, right? How many columns are there in this? There are 3 columns. That is first column, second column, as well as third column. That is order of a matrix. How many rows are there and how many columns are there? We will define it in a particular. That is here. How many rows? That is R, I will say, and R is equals to 3. How many columns? Here, column C. How many columns are there? 3. So we will write it here. Here, 3 cross 3. This one especially. 3 cross 3. We will write it for a matrix. This is called the order of a matrix. This is the order. So this is called order. So it is 3 cross 3. That indicates how many rows are there and how many columns are there. In general, RC is the order of the matrix. In general, we will say this is RC is the order of the matrix. Right? So now here order I can say there is R cross C. In general, I can say. So I will take an example. Now we will write the order of the matrix for that. Let us take some 3, 4, 1, 6. Now what is the order of the matrix? How many rows are there? 2 rows. 1, 2. So it's 2 rows. And how many columns? This is first column. This is my second column. Cross 2. This is order is 2 cross 2. Similarly, I can write 3, 2, 4, 9, 2, 1. You can see here. How many rows are there? 2 rows. First row, second row, how many columns? 3 columns. So this is the order of the matrix. So here we will write it in general the elements of the matrix. In general also here the order is represented by n cross n. That is, n is the number of rows and m is the number of the columns. So A11, A12, A13, A1 up to m. Similarly, A21, A22, A23 dot 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 is A2 yeah. So A31, A32, A33 dot 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 A3 yeah. So similarly I can say I have wrote this. So next finally dot 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 I can say it is AN1, AN2, AN3 dot 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 dot. Finally I can say it is nth row and nth column. AN. This is the general way of representing a matrix, and it is written by capital letters. That is capital A, capital B, whichever you want. X, Y, Z. We will denote it by always a capital letter. The matrix is denoted by a capital letter. So in general, you will see capital A is equals to A of Ij. That is A of Ij. I is the which row and J is the which column it is going to represent. That is A of 2, 3. That is if I want to find A of 2, 3. So I have to go A means A of 2. That is second row. First, second row, and it is third column. 1, 2, 3 column. This is the my A2. Like this, we can find, and is generally represented by n cross m order. So this is the way of representing the order of the matrix. Right? Now, friends, we see type of matrices. So here first we will talk about this row matrix. So what is this row matrix? That is row matrix. A matrix which consists of only the rows. That means row elements will be there. That means only row will be there. Only one row will be there. That is called as a row matrix. I can give the example. It is 1, 2, 3. You can see here. How many rows are there? Single row. Only one row will be there. A matrix which consists of only one row is called as a row matrix. You can see 1 cross 3. How many columns? 1, 2, 3 columns. How many rows? Only one. This is called a row matrix. So you can take another example. 5, 2i, 4. See here. How many rows are there? Single row, columns 3. This is the order we can say here. Now, if you remove this one, what will be the order of this matrix? I can say it is how many rows? Single row, columns 2. 2 columns. So this is 1 cross 2. This is the order of the matrix. I can say here. This is the order of the matrix. Okay. Now, second one. Now we have seen row matrix. Now we will see for the column matrix. Column matrix. So what is this column matrix? A matrix which consists of only one column is called as a column matrix. I can give the examples for this one. The examples will 1, 2, 3, 4. See it here. Now how many columns are there? Only one column. Rows 1, 2, 3, 4. So column, it has column as a first row. How many rows are there? 4 rows are there. And what is the column? How many columns are there? Only one. Now you can see here. The column matrix is a matrix which has only one column is called as a column matrix. And its order here, whatever we are taking the example, its order is 4 cross 1. I can write this one. If you take this as an example, it is how many rows are there? 2 rows are there, right? And what about the column? There is only one column. This is the order of the matrix. That is number of rows and number of columns we are going to write. right? So next one is zero matrix. Now, so what is this zero matrix? Zero matrix is a matrix where its each and every element will be zero. That is, now I can write 0, 0, 0, 0. You can see its order is 2 cross 2. Its order, number of rows and number of columns are 2, 2. And all the elements, if you see here, all the elements are 0. Therefore, it is called as a zero matrix, or sometimes it is called as a null matrix, void matrix. Like this we will call it. Okay. Another example, I can write like this also. This is zero matrix, right? So like this we can write. Zero matrix is a matrix where its all the elements will be 0, right? And the next is a square matrix. Square matrix. So the name itself says that square matrix. Square means all the sides are same. We does not have any sides here, but we have here rows and columns. That means the size means rows and columns should be same. Then I can say that this is a square matrix, right? Now the number of rows and number of columns are same, then we will call it as a square matrix. I can say 2, 2, 4, 5. How many rows are there? 2. How many columns are there? 2. So it is a square matrix. Number of rows and number of columns are same, then we will say that it is a it is a square matrix. Now I will write it 2, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, 7, 9. Now you can see what is the order of this matrix. First row, second row, third row. 3 rows are there. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. This is 3 cross 3. Now that is equal number of rows as well as number of columns. Both are one and same. Therefore, we will say that this is a square matrix. Here, in this square matrix, these elements, that is diagonal elements, you can see here. These are called as a principal diagonal elements. These are called as a principal diagonal elements. These are called as a principal diagonal elements, right? So in the next class we will see the operations on matrices. Okay, thank you.